Glam Squad, what's up? I hope all is well with you guys. I was I don't know what to say. Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. I hope all is well with you guys. I wanted to show you guys the update that I did on my living room. Of course, we are all home right now. I was bored and I have been playing around with the living room and I said, oh, let me show you guys what I've done. So hopefully you guys are going to like it. Are you ready? Let's go see it. Please keep in mind the things that you are going to see in this video are things that were already at my house. It's either I was not using them or they were in a different room and I brought them in this room. So this is going to be a good example of how you can shop your house and still give your home a new look and without having to spend money. So I hope you guys are really going to find something valuable out of this video. Okay ladies, let me show you something. This is the view of the living room when you first enter the house. Hold on, let me show you the front door. Now come on over, welcome. In this tray, I have a picture of my husband and I while we were dating. I have this big vase from Home Goods and I have this candle from Burlington. I have this flower in this cute little vase that's on the other side of the table. And I put some books. I thought the color of the books were perfect for the living room, for the color of the living room. I like to use this book more than buying other more expensive books. What else? This candle, just like on the other side of the table. And of course my pineapple. Did you guys know pineapple means welcome? I didn't know that. I just found out the other day. Okay then, trivia time. Just put yes, I knew, no, I didn't in the comment section. Let's see how many of us knew. That should be fun, right? And I have these two pillars in the corner. The tray is my tray from Z Gallery. I inserted the mirror inside of it. Guys, remember when I told you I was playing with the living room? I have two setups for the coffee table and I could not pick which one I wanted to show to you guys. So I'm going to show you both and please let me know which one you like the most. On the left side of the coffee table, I have the two vases on one side and I added a chain, a gold and silver chain on the vase. On the other side, I tucked in the gold tray and add a pink flower and a battery operated candle. No books. Last, I have two photo frames facing back to back to hide the not so beautiful part of the frame when sitting on the couch. Please tell me which one you prefer, the first one or the second one. For the sofa, I kept the two pillows on the side and added the one in the middle. This is the same canvas from Gallery on my last video. I have a mirror home sign on top of it now. This is what I have on this side of the sofa. My acrylic and gold table. This table is moved around a lot as well. On top of it, I have a picture of the family and some candles, you know, just to bring a little something something. I kept the same curtains, but I added these two mirrors on this side of the wall. Moving on to the other side of the sofa. The side table was on my last video. However, it was on the right side. Now it is on the left side of the living room. I'm gonna show you shortly where it was. I put 3 books on top of the side table. The one on top and the one at the bottom are the same. Once again, regular books that I actually read, or some of them I read already. Of course, this book by Steve Harvey. The first book was by John Maxwell. It says everyone communicates, but few connect. So guys, I am trying to connect with you. Hopefully you are connecting with me as well. Just kidding. But it is true though. Seriously, it is a really good leadership book. The lamp and the backs are also new to the room. This mirror is new to the room as well, and it's from Burlington. This was the first piece I bought for the house many years ago. In front of the window, I have this metallic and gold S table. It used to be in my dining room. Now I put it in my living room. I feel like in my dining room, it was hiding a little bit. The color matches better with my living room. Those of you who have seen my dining room, what do you think? You know what? Let me just put a link for you guys. Check it out. I have this crystal thing on top of the table and this big vase with flowers, white flowers, which is my favorite type of flowers. On the curtains, I have a little DIY. I don't have a video for it. In this corner, I have this chair. This is where the side table used to be. Now I have this chair here, and I also used to have 2 chairs by the window. If you want to know why I only have one, feel free to check out my living room video. You'll find out why. On the other side, I have this love seat with a lumbar pillow. The pillow was in my bedroom. I just brought it down. If you are new to this channel, I'd like to say welcome to the Glam Squad family. And if you have not subscribed, please take this opportunity to subscribe and hit your notification bell so they can notify you once I upload a new video. This is the back of the chair. And that's the view when sitting in that love seat, which I think is pretty cool. In the corner, I have this mirror that I DIY myself. Let me give you guys a closer look. The table in front of it was a DIY as well. I made it from scratch using floor rubber mat. It was very interesting. Please check it out. On the table, I have my son's picture and a flower. Just a plain white flower, which I thought it goes with the rest of the flowers in the living room. In this wall, I have 2 canvases and put them together to make them one. On my last living room tour, I had a mirror in between. Hopefully, this is a better view. Let me show you guys the chandelier. It's the same one. I am very happy with the final look, considering I did not have to go to the store to buy new things. This is a great example of how you can shop your home without having to go to the store to buy new things and spend a bunch of money. Ladies, tell me, do you shop at your home first, or do you just go to the store to go buy new things whenever you would like to make a little change in a room? All of the furniture for this room were purchased online. I will leave some link for you below in the description box. But if you would like to have more details and know my opinion about the furniture in terms of quality and anything else that you would like to know about it, please check out my other Glam living room video where I give a full review of the furniture. All the videos that I mentioned to you, the links will be there as well. Okay guys, this is it. I hope you enjoy my mini makeover. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I look forward to seeing you. Please don't forget to subscribe. That's about it. I love you guys. Thanks for stopping by today. Bye.